Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Florence. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Thank you for tuning back in. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Please, it would really help me, and I'm very sure that you would enjoy my content. So please go ahead and subscribe and put on the notification bell so you don't ever miss a video again. And if you are not new here and you still haven't subscribed, we need to have a talk. Like, why haven't you subscribed? I know you're enjoying my content, that's why you're back here. So why haven't you subscribed? Please go ahead and subscribe. It would really help me. Please go and subscribe. And if you want, please go ahead and binge watch all the content that I have for you guys. I'm sure you would enjoy it. Okay, so today we are going to be trying the TRIED bun. She has this really perky bun that she does, very simple. It's not difficult at all, and she did it on an old braid out. And if you've been following this channel, you know that I have a braid out on right now. It's hold, so I am also going to be doing this style on an hold braid out. However, her hair type is not the same. So she still had a little bit of curls in her hair. So this is what my braid out looks like right now. It's horrible, I know. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is to spray a little bit of water and revive my hair a little bit before I start the TRIED bun tutorial. Yeah, so if you want to watch, continue to watch. Okay, so everything that she used is a clip, a very big clip. Ours was black. I couldn't get a black clip. Like, I walked, but I couldn't get a black clip, so I got this. And then she used a DIY tie that she used. But I'm going to be using this band here, and then she used a bandana at the end of it all, but I am going to be using this for my own hair. So I'm just going to wear this first, actually, so that I don't disrupt all of the stuff I do later. So I'm just going to wear this first. Yep, and let it sit on my neck like this. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water in my hair. In this spray bottle, I have just water in it, so that's what I have doing. Okay, so now we're ready for Naptural's tutorial. Let's make the perky top knot. Get in the bun position and just make it top knot. The perky top knot. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead with this. She's using a DIY hair tie, but I'm just going to use this, and I know that with this it's a little bit tight. I don't have to go twice. It's new, so it's still very firm. So that is my top knot. If it's too firm for you, you bring out a little bit of hair. This is a puff, guys. This is a style. Okay, so let's continue.
All my hair up into the ends. Now that the hair is all bulbous right here, make sure there's nothing sticking out. Take the hair
Okay, so because my hair is not Natural's hair texture, I'm going to have to bring this out, especially the ones at the back, so I can go ahead and spray a little bit more water just to bring it out. Okay, so here we go, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, 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 up. We don't want anything to be missing. Okay. Alright. So make sure this is in place. So we have that, and then put this. And we go like this. Okay, so as I was watching this tutorial, I figured that she did this and clipped it like that. But because I don't want mine to come out so much, I am going to do this, and put this inside when I want to clip, and just clip it this way. So that the remaining of my hair is not out like hers. Just style as desired.
Literally all I do. So fast, so simple and easy. If you are an edges type of girl, do your thing. Sometimes I'm an edges girl, sometimes
okay, so if you want to do your edges, this is the time. But I'm just going to go ahead and just brush mine up a bit. And then
so that's it, guys. That's how you get this voluminous and perky top knot bun. Literally taking the hair to ponytail and folding it back.
so guys, that's how you get this voluminous and something top knot bun. Okay. Okay, so if you want to design your hair, had a few clips and pins and all, this is where you do that. It's really so easy, actually. So easy and so fast. Okay, so if you don't have this like her, you can just tie something, a bandana, anything, and you're good to go. Thank you, Naptural85. Even though my hair texture is not like hers, the method still perfectly worked for my hair, and that is the truth, guys. That is what we aim for in this business. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. That is it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave it down below and I'll be sure to answer you. Please share, guys. Please share. That is the only way to encourage me. Subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share, guys. Share. Help me increase my watchers. Help me increase my subscriber count. Please share, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope Naptural85 sees this and gives it a thumbs up. I'll leave a comment below. Anyways, this is so nice, guys. This is so nice. and so fast and so easy. Okay, now bye y'all.